In this episode, we'll first focus on the investment map of the biotechnology sector, Sector 1. AI produce diagnostics creating value from data. Companies in this sector focus on using AI to extract more accurate, faster, and earlier insights from patient data, primarily medical images and biological samples, aiming to improve diagnosis, guide treatment, and ultimately predict disease. First company, RadNet, Inc., stock code RDNT RadNet is a prime example of a traditional industry giant successfully transforming its business. As one of the largest outpatient imaging center operators in the U.S., it is actively integrating AI into its core business. The company has established a dedicated digital health division, which is experiencing rapid growth, with revenue increasing by 30.9% year-over-year in the most recent quarter. RadNet's strategy is two-pronged, improving internal operational efficiency and creating new revenue streams. They are using AI to enhance breast cancer detection, EBCD Pro-A, and are expanding into lung and prostate cancer screening. The recent acquisition of Icado, a leader in breast health AI solutions, for approximately $103 million, further solidifies this strategy, perfectly combining RadNet's vast technology and clinical network with Icado. RadNet can be seen as the shovel seller of the diagnostics field. It's a mature, profitable company leveraging AI to create new competitive advantages and high-margin service lines. Compared to pure technology-type ports, it's less risky, offering an investment option that combines stable growth with AI-driven potential. The second company, Tempus AI Inc., stock code DEM. Tempus is building one of the world's largest multimodal clinical and molecular databases. Its core business is providing physicians, particularly in oncology, with AI-enabled genome foraging and other precision medicine solutions. Tempus' moat lies in its data. It has established connections with most academic medical centers and oncologists in the United States. Its recent $81.25 million acquisition of Page, a leader in digital pathology, was a stroke of genius. This acquisition added nearly 7 million digitized pathology slide images to Tempus' existing ThinNagel and clinical data, creating an unparalleled multimodal bandwidth for training next-generation oncology AI models. This valuable data is then licensed to pharmaceutical companies for R&D, generating a high-margin, recurring revenue stream. Tempus is a data-first company investing, and Tempus is betting on the value of its proprietary data moat. While the company is not yet profitable, its revenue growth is strong, projected at approximately $1.24 billion post-acquisition, and it plans to achieve positive adjusted EBITDA by 2025. Key risk lies in successfully commercializing its massive data assets and ultimately achieving profitability. Sector 2, AI-driven drug discovery. Pioneers of TechBio. These companies are building the future of the pharmaceutical industry from scratch. They combine expertise in biology, automation, and machine learning to industrialize the drug discovery process. First company, Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Stock code RXRX. Recursion is a clinical-stage TechBio company. At its core is the Recursion OS platform, which automates millions of wet lab experiments weekly, generating massive tadentations of proprietary cell images, phenotypics HO. Machine learning algorithm then analyze this data to identify relationships between genes, diseases, and potential drugs. Recursion S model relies heavily on large-scale collaborations with pharmaceutical giants like Roche and Bayer, which provide validation and non-dilutive financing through milestone payments. Its growth strategy includes advancing its internal pipeline, drug candidates for rare diseases and oncology, and expanding its platform capabilities. The recent acquisition of Exscientia combines Recursion S biology first approach with Exscientia S chemistry first platform, creating a more comprehensive TechBio leader. Recursion is a classic example of a high-risk, high return biotech investment. Due to massive R&D expenditures, the company is not yet profitable and has significant cash burn. Its success depends on clinical trial results and continued collaboration revenue. The company's stock price is highly volatile. However, its balance sheet is strong, and cash reserves are expected to support operations through 2027. Sector 3 shovel sellers, weaponizing revolutionaries in any gold rush. The most consistent winners are often those who sell shovels and pickaxes in the IR biotech revolution. This means companies that provide the foundational computing software and hardware upon which the entire industry depends. Investing in these companies offers broad exposure to the growth of the entire industry while potentially taking on lower single asset risk. First Compo, Schrödinger, Incord, stock code SDGR. Schrödinger boasts a unique and robust hybrid business model. A leader in physics-based molecular discovery computational software, it licenses its platform to virtually every major pharmaceutical and biotechnology company, generating stable, highly profitable recurring revenue. Its secret weapon lies in Schrödinger use of its top-tier software to drive its internal drug discovery pipeline. This includes collaborative projects with partners like Bristol Myers Squibb and Lilly, as well as its own proprietary projects. The software business funds the drug discovery business. The success of the drug discovery pipeline, e.g., its MALT1 inhibitor SGR -1505, now in phase 1 clinical trials, not only creates significant upside potential, but also provides a crucial feedback loop for improving the software platform itself. Schrödinger offers a relatively low-risk way to invest in AI-driven drug discovery. Its mature and profitable software division provides a valuation floor and stable growth, while its drug discovery pipeline offers significant, isometric upside potential. The company's balance sheet is virtually perfect, with no debt. The second company, Viva Systems, Inc., stock code BV. Viva Systems is the operating system of the life sciences industry. It provides a comprehensive industry cloud platform covering the entire value chain from R&D to commercialization, including clinical trial management, regulatory information, quality management, and customer relationship management. SRM. Its market position is extremely strong, with the world's top 20 pharmaceutical companies as clients. Viva is building the connective tissue that connects the entire industry's data flow, making it a natural platform for AI applications. The company is fully rolling out Viva AI agents on its Core Vault platform, aiming to embed generative AI into workflows from clinical to commercial. Furthermore, through collaborations with AI companies such as OpenEvidence, Viva is working to accelerate clinical trials and drug discovery using AI as a mature SaaS company. Viva boasts strong recurring revenue and profitability, with revenue maintaining robust double-digit growth. Viva is one of the purest shovel sellers in the IR biotechnology field. Investing in Viva is equivalent to betting on the entire life sciences industry's continued investment in digitalization and AI. Its business does not rely on the success of any single drug, but grows with the overall progress of the industry. Its deep embedding in the industry and high customer stickiness build extremely high competitive barriers. The third company, Simulations Plus, Incart. Stock code SRPLY. Simulations Plus is a company specializing in drug discovery and development modeling and simulation software with over 25 years of history. Its software uses AI and machine learning to predict the behavior of drugs in the human body, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, thereby improving drug design and meeting regulatory requirements. Its flagship products include GastroPlus and ADMET PBR, the latter containing a powerful AI-driven drug design AIG module. The company serves 18 of the world's top 20 pharmaceutical companies. Its strategy is to deeply participate in its clients' R&D processes through a combination of software licensing and expert consulting services. Simulations Plus is actively migrating its platform to the cloud and launching next-generation AI enhanced products such as GastroPlus X to improve productivity and provide deeper data insights. The company also collaborates with academic institutions to co-design and discover new compounds using its AI platform. Simulations Plus represents a more focused and specialized shovel seller investment in the IIO drug discovery field. Unlike large platform companies, it is not broad but focuses on the key vertical of biosimulation. Its deep scientific expertise, proven software platform, and strong relationships with regulatory agencies form its core competencies. This is an attractive option for investors looking to invest in the foundational technologies of AI drug discovery, but want to avoid the direct risks of clinical trials. In addition to software and services, an emerging category combining hardware, software, and AI is rising, aiming to democratize medical capabilities and move them from large hospital equipment to the care field. Representative Comp Butterfly Network int stock code BFLY as Butterfly Network has created a handheld whole body ultrasound device with a single semiconductor chip at its core, ultrasound on chip on. This device connects to SAP kits and utilizes AI to assist in image acquisition and interpretation, making ultrasound technology more accessible and affordable than ever before. Its business model combines one-time hardware sales with recurring revenue from cloud subscription services that provide image storage, collaboration, and advanced AI tools. Their strategy is to expand from niche applications to provide platform-level solutions for the entire healthcare system. BFLY is an early-stage, high-growth company. Revenue is growing, projected to be $91 million to $95 million by 2025, but it is not yet profitable and is carefully managing its cash burn. The company has no debt and sufficient cash reserves to support near-term operations. The main risks lie in market acceptance and competition from established medical device giants such as GE Healthcare. This is a highly speculative but potentially disruptive investment in the future of medical imaging. Finally, we explore how to build a healthcare portfolio for the next decade. Investing in a disruptive industry requires a structured approach that balances fundamental stability with high growth potential. We can build a tiered portfolio based on the roles these companies play in the ecosystem. This investment strategy can be divided into three layers: a foundational platform layer, enablers, a core, hybrid layer, a balance of risk and return, and a satellite, pipeline layer, high growth, high risk. This framework allows investors to adjust their exposure according to their risk tolerance. The underlying logic is that the development of the entire AI biotechnology field is built on powerful computing capabilities and specialized software. Therefore, the most fundamental and lowest risk investments are in companies that provide these basic tools for everyone. Veeva Systems is a prime example of this layer. Its success is linked to the growth of the entire industry rather than the success or failure of a single drug. In contrast, pure drug discovery companies, such as Recursion, carry dual risk, their value highly dependent on clinical trial results. This is high risk, but also offers the highest potential for return. Companies like Schrödinger, with their hybrid model, offer a compelling balance. A stable cash-generating software business provides a solid foundation for its valuation and funds the high-return drug discovery division. This is less risky than pure pipeline investments, but offers greater upside potential than pure platform investments. Diagnostic companies like Tempus and RadNet represent another dimension of risks. Their success or failure is more related to adoption by healthcare systems and the ability to commercialize data than to the binary outcome of clinical trials. Therefore, a reasonable portfolio construction approach is to build on a foundation of platform Recursion companies, EV South Dakota, Gagage, increase core growth exposure through leading diagnostics, PETA companies, DEM, Archangis, and hold highly disruptive or speculative targets, BFLY, and some private companies as smaller satellite positions. The portfolio allocation is as follows: core holdings as cornerstone Veeva Systems, VID, the operating system of the life sciences industry, the indispensable software foundation for the entire revolution, Schrödinger, SDGR, a balanced hybrid model with a strong software moat and drug discovery potential, high growth hallway, Tempus AI, DIM, betting on the strength of its dominant multimodal data, moat in the oncology field, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol RXRX, Jane, exposure to a leading, publicly traded and validated TechBio pipeline company, with a strong track record with major pharmaceutical companies, speculative and watchly. RXRX, ticker symbol RDNT, a robust, value-driven investment approach that participates in the trend of AI applications in clinical practice. BFLY Network, ticker symbol BFLY, a high-risk, high-reward bet on the democratization of medical imaging hardware. Private companies to WA, Insilico Medicine, a leading IPO candidate, Axiom Bio and Bividine, potential acquisition targets or future publicly traded companies. All investments carry risk, but this industry is particularly risky and requires close monitoring. Key risks. Clinical trial failure. This is the primary risk for pipeline companies, such as RXRX and SDGR, as pharmaceutical division ensure regulatory hurdles. FDA approval and Medicare reimbursement decisions are critical for diagnostic companies such as DEM, RDNT, and BFLY, cash burn and profit. Many companies are not yet profitable and rely on capital markets or partnerships to maintain operations. Their cash reserves and the rate of depletion need to be closely monitored. Competence. This field is attracting significant talent and capital, and new disruptive technologies could emerge at any time. Valuations is a high-growth industry. Valuations may be driven up, increasing downside risk. Finally, let us reiterate our core RDNT. While general artificial intelligence is still searching for its killer application across the broader economy, it has already firmly established itself in biotechnology. The convergence of AI, robotics, and biology is not an incremental improvement, but a paradigm shift. It is accelerating our move from the traditional one-size-fits-all healthcare model towards a future where treatments are precisely designed, predicted, and personalized for each individual. For investors with a long-term vision and risk tolerance, this narrow gate represents one of the most compelling and potentially rewarding investment themes of the next decade. The above content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Thank you for your attention and support.